Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can make buttons such as the ones found on this page. What we're going to do is we're going to create a button and we're going to add some custom lettering to it. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google, and I just did a search for web buttons. You can do web icons, you can do um, whatever search you want. And then what I do is I click on finding the buttons that I want to use. I open it up just in the preview mode. Then I go and I use what's called the snipping tool. I have mine pinned down here to the taskbar, but you also can find this under the start menu by searching for snipping tool. Once you start that application, it will gray out your screen and show you a cross or a plus sign. You're going to find the button that you want to use. And you are going to carefully select that image. And once I have that image pulled up as a snipping tool, I'm going to go ahead and save that. So I'm going to go File and Save As. And I've got a folder in my Google Drive named Buttons. So I'm just going to go ahead and name that. And click Save. Then I can close that out. The next part, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Pixlr.com. So if you just type in Pixlr.com in your URL bar, it'll take you to this site. You can go in and sign up. It is a free account, but it is actually not even necessary. So if you'll click under Web Apps, sometimes that happens, and you'll just go back and click again. It'll pull up. There are some different applications that they have. We're going to be using the Pixlr editor. So if you scroll down and go ahead and select Launch the Web App. Now once you do that, it'll open up a screen and it'll ask you, what do you want to do? We're going to actually open that image from our computer, which was the web button that we just got from Google. So if you click on Open the Image from the computer, and I'm actually going to find our tech button that I'm going to replace, and find the button and select Open. Now it opens up this file, which is actually, using the snipping tool, is a PNG file, which makes it transparent. So what I'm going to do is click on the icon that has a letter A, which is a type tool. Click on that, and then I'm just going to click anywhere. It'll pull up a text box. I can adjust the size, the font type, and I can center the font. We're going to make it a white font color and choose OK, and then I'm going to type in what I want to say on my button. Now I can adjust my size. Actually put in, and then I'm going to use the Move tool, and I'm going to position that text where I need it, and then I'm going to go ahead. I'm done with that button, so if I'll click on Layer at the top, those are two different layers, the button itself and the text. I'm going to go up to Layer and I'm going to flatten that image, so I'm going to bring those two layers together, click on that, and then I'm going to save my button. So if I go over here to File, use the drop down, click Save, I go ahead and I title it what I want it to be on my computer. It is a PNG file. Click OK. It's going to open up my File Explorer, which I can then find my button folder, which it defaulted to, or you can go through and find the folder you want to save it to. Click Save. Now I'm going to go to my website that I want to put my button on, and I'm actually going to log in, and then I'm going to upload that button to the photo drawer. That's the first thing you need to do. So I'm going to go to the photo drawer. I have a button photo drawer folder, so I'm going to click on Manage Photos. I'm going to select my file from my machine, which was this button. Click Open. It'll upload it to the site. And then I'm going to go to the page where I want to put that button. Once I get to the page, I can simply put my cursor where I want that button to go, insert an image, select the folder that I uploaded it to, find the button, and then obviously it's a different size, so to change the size of the button I can right click it, go to Image Properties, and then put in my button size, which I'll have to play with to figure out what I did for those buttons. Try that. It looks pretty good. And then now what I have to do is link that button to a page. So I highlight the button. I'm going to go up here to the link button found in the text editor, and I'm going to find the page that I want to link that button to, which I actually haven't created yet, so I'll have to work on that. We'll link it back to the technology homepage. Technology resources. And then click OK. Once I have that in place, I can position it as I want to, update the page, and you have a button on your website. Go back to your site, check to make sure it works. There you go.